Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a nighttime skincare routine with the gifted clay mask that I got from Teami Blunt. So getting right into this video, I started off with a Moroccan black soap that I actually got in Uganda. A friend of mine sells it and it's really good. It has so many amazing benefits. So the trick of putting this on when it's doesn't come in the bar form is I put it on a dry palm of hand and then wet one palm and lather it. Then I start to apply it on my face and eventually add more water like I'm doing here, and then it starts to form a lather, and that's the lather that obviously I want to get clean, squeaky clean, because that's exactly what this soap does. I pat my face dry with a face towel, and literally this is the cleanest my face is without it feeling harsh like most soaps do. So this clay mask is actually so amazing. It has so many benefits and I've been using it for the last 2 weeks every other day. I would never ever endorse a product on my channel unless I actually try it out myself and I actually really like it. So I apply this with my fingers all over my face evenly with a thin layer, and I just make sure that it's all green. As long as your skin area is fully green, you're good. If it's a little faded, you know, I need to add a little bit more. So what I love the most about this mask is that it's so detoxifying. So when you're putting it on, generally the whole point of clay is to lift the toxins from your skin. So that's what really helps with detoxifying it and unclogging your pores, and it'll leave you just feeling more like clean, and all the oils will be sucked from your face. I have oily prone skin, so this works really well with people with oily prone skin. I also remember, don't ever forget to put masks under your chin and on your neck, because I don't want chicken neck when I'm older. So this is my way of preventing that. I'm a little crazy. Sorry guys about the lighting. I'm trying to improve on that whole situation. I definitely forgot, and we filmed this whole thing and I'm just like, you know what, it is what it is. A little happy dance because it's on. So I leave it on usually for 20 minutes. I go read or something, and then I'm just putting on water to remove it. Generally I do this in the shower, but for the sake of this video we just did it over the sink. And yeah, I'm just patting it dry. And on my way to bed, I always use the Laneige. This is a sample of the yogurty scented face cream, but I usually actually use their blue one, their standard one, moisturizer. It is so good in the winter if you live in colder areas, which helps a lot. And yeah, the last step that I found very important to do recently is to exfoliate my lips. If you guys have not watched one of my previous videos on my lips, I suffer from lip eczema, so this helps just make sure that dead skin cells are off and everything's good. I just wipe it with water. I use an old toothbrush, not my actual toothbrush, of course. And then you can put any preference of lip cream, and I just put Vaseline here, but usually I use a Blistex on my way to bed. And that is my skin routine. Thanks for watching, loves.